In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or blend two photos in Midjourney. We'll do this entirely inside Discord using the Midjourney bot, and I'll walk you through each action so it feels simple and predictable. Start by opening Discord and navigating to the Midjourney bot. You can find it by searching for the bot's name or by looking in your direct messages list. Click the conversation to open it. Working in a direct message keeps things tidy and makes the command easy to find and use. Once you're in the conversation, move to the message box at the bottom. This is where you'll run the blend command. Type /, then the word blend, so it reads a blend. As you type, Discord usually suggests the command. Select it if you see it, or simply finish typing it. Press enter. This confirms the command and opens the upload fields that the bot expects for a blend. Next, add your two photos. You can drag and drop them straight into the chat window or click the attachment icon to upload from your device. For best results, choose clear, high-quality images with a strong subject in each photo. If one image is more important to the final look, attach that one first so the bot treats it as your primary reference. Try to avoid very small or blurry files, as those can produce muddy blends, and make sure you have the rights to the photos and that they follow community guidelines. After both images are attached, press enter again to send everything to the bot. You'll see the command processing, and after a short wait, Midjourney will generate a blended image based on your two uploads. The timing can vary depending on server load and your connection, but it's usually quite fast. If the blend doesn't start, double check that you're messaging the bot directly and that the command began with a /. If the images didn't attach properly, remove them and reattach before sending again. Slow connections can interrupt uploads, so giving the files a moment to finish before pressing enter helps avoid errors. That's all there is to it. Open the Midjourney bot in Discord, go to your messages with the bot, type blend, press enter, upload your two images, and press enter once more to generate the result. With a couple of thoughtful image choices and these simple actions, you'll be blending photos in seconds.